Hello and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have an exciting unboxing, or at least I think it is. As some of you may know, if you've been around for a while, I absolutely love Josephine Wall. She is one of my all-time favorite artists, and usually there's a lot of confetti involved and a high color count with Josephine Walls. Typically for the past few years, there have been two primary companies that sell Josephine Wall. Well, now there is a third one that is out on the market, and that is from Mirthful Diamond Arts, and they are located out of Greece. I just knew that I had planned on working on one of them for the Josephine Wall event that I'm going to be hosting. And now I don't know which one I want to work on. So I want you guys to help me if you would. So once I show both of these, let me know in the comments below which one that you would like to see. So we do have one that is called Dreamscape, which is this one. You'll be able to see it closer whenever I turn you around. And then we also have this one, which is Eros and Psyche. I thought I was going to do this one because it's smaller and I love the colors. But then after I unboxed both of these, now I don't know. So let me know which one you think. One is definitely smaller than the other, but they're both big. One has 100 colors and one has 101. So that's not really a factor there. The size is a factor, but I'm excited for this one. I hope that you enjoy this video, and I hope that you are going to also participate in the Josephine Wall event. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I am really looking forward to it. So I'm going to turn you around and let's get started. Okay, the first one is Eros and Psyche, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. I'm going to show you what this looks like. I'm going to spread it out on my floor because it is way too big to put on my table. And I just love the colors on this. This is a 110 by 80, so it's not huge. And there are 100 colors with 11 special drills. These are already cut for individual if you like me and you like to kit up, which I do. You can also simply open these. The baggies have you can actually close the baggies, and you can just put your stickers on here if you want to work on it like this. I don't do that very well. Here are the colors. I'm going to keep this in order. If I open this, guys, I am so sorry, but I will never be able to get it back in here. But you can see the colors from here. I'm also going to be kitting one of these up. I thought it was this one. Now I'm not sure. I love both of them. But look at the colors on here. I also want to show you what the drills look like on a canvas. I have not started on either one of these since I don't know which one I'm going to work on, but I will show you in just a few minutes what one of their squares looks like. Now, when you receive your canvas from Mirthful, it does come with a toolkit. This one did not come with a toolkit, but this was for me. But you will receive a premium toolkit. You will also receive washi. It does say Mirthful on it. It's in a baggie. I have two since I have two canvases. Also, you might receive Mirthful Diamond Arts here, release paper. There's a couple in each one of these packs, and I do love this. I'm not sure if Netta, the owner, is going to start including these or selling them. I would actually buy these. And then I received a trinket tray here. It says Mirthful Diamonds on it. I love the color. Now, the last kit that I received from her that I had ordered, I received my name, and it could be used as a cover minder because it was rather large, and it did come with magnets. I do like this. I also, with my diamond paintings, they did not come in a box, but yours will. Mine came wrapped up, also had an outer box, so, and she asked me if that was okay, and that was fine with me, but yours will have a box, just to let you guys know. And the toolkit is really nice. You can go to my prior unboxing from Mirthful, and you can see what that toolkit looks like. And also wanted to make sure everyone's aware that I am now an affiliate with Mirthful, but I give you my honest opinion on any diamond painting that I work on, whether I am an affiliate or not. I will have my code below underneath the description in case you would like to order from this company. Okay, so here is the entire painting. I had to step back from it so that you can see, and I just love everything about this. There's also butterflies that are flying around at the bottom, and then we have some beautiful flowers that are at the top. We also have the clouds, we have the moon there, and we have both you have all the different colors of the wings there at the top, and it is scalloped and it is sewn on the edges so it prevents fraying, and I really like that about it. It also has Mirthful diamonds at the top. It tells us which painting that this is over on the right hand side, along with the centimeters of this. And I don't think I could love this anymore. Now this one I did purchase myself. The next one, the owner was so kind and offered me another diamond painting and told me to pick one out. I had been eyeing the other one that I'm about to show you, and that one was quite a bit more expensive, and so I had it on my wish list, and so she sent me that one, and I am so appreciative. Thank you so much, Netta. I cannot wait to start on both of these. Actually, I'm going to show you the other diamond painting, and then you can let me know which one you like the best. These are drills I am working on for another diamond painting from Mirthful Diamond Paintings, and I love how they look. For some reason, this is not focusing very well. I'm not exactly sure why, but you can see how well that they look close together. They're not too tight, and there's not any gapping, and I'm really enjoying working on that canvas. I can barely get this one in frame, even on the floor, and backing it up, so hopefully you can see it. It is called Dreamscape, and this is 135 centimeter by 100 centimeter, so it is very long and wide, so it really doesn't matter how I start on this one. It's going to be a really big one. There's our butterflies once again at the top. Looks like we have a polar bear, and then we have some windows looking out from a castle, and just some stairs there, and she's asleep. And we also have some other people, I believe, that is inside. It looks like that could be a flower. There's also a piano. There is so much going on this one. This is going to be confetti heavy just by glancing at it. I am pretty confident that it will be. I just love this painting, and I knew that I eventually wanted it, but I was going to save up and have it for my birthday, and Netta was so gracious to offer this to me. Now this one has 101 colors. Still, it's not that bad on the colors. I will kit this one up, but I think I'm going to do the first one. I just don't know. So let me know underneath the comments, which one would you like to see me do? Both of these are new, or to Mirthful Diamonds anyway. I think I've seen Dreamscape before, but in a smaller version. I'm not 100%. I could be totally wrong. But that one is going to be really pretty. And as my usual self, I did not look at the actual... I didn't look at the actual size on either one of these. That is just me. I always do this. So this one's really big, but I would have gotten it anyway. It wouldn't have mattered the size. I would have still wanted it. So I really do love both of these. So let me show you. You can also halfway see my dog. She needs a bath and grooming desperately. Here is the thumbnail for this one. I think that is just absolutely gorgeous. And then we also, of course, have our stickers here. It also gives us information down here and then how to diamond paint. Colors for Dreamscape are similar to the other one that I had just shown you. And this one is, where's the end? This one is DNS 045, and that's what's on the canvas. And it also tells it's 135 by 100. And so let's look at these beautiful colors. These colors are similar. I love that pink. These colors are similar to the first one. There's a lot more grays and different variants of grays and blues. We do have some of our special drills there. Then we have some colors. I'm not going to take this out, so I hope you guys understand. I have a hard time getting this back in here, and I want to make sure that I can keep them in the order that they are in. Okay, this also has 11 on the special drills. It does have ABs, it has some fairy dust. Then it has a couple of C's, C3836 and 3865. I'm not sure what the C is with them. I don't know if that's metallic or I'm not sure what that is. I don't know why C would be metallic, but I'm not sure what the C is, but we do have a couple of those once I get into this and I can let you guys know. And it could even be glow in the dark. I'm not sure. I honestly don't know what it is because I am very new to Mirthful diamonds. So I will let you guys know on this. And I just cannot wait to get started. I have not done a Josephine wall since last year. I'm going to have several videos that are upcoming on Josephine wall and getting ready for the event. Again, I'll also show you how I handle 100+ drills and how I will also store the ones that will not fit in my tray bricks. Until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye!